Day 14. Tel Aviv Sirens. Southern airbase hit. Cluster missiles raining on Israeli towns. 2 weeks in, and Iran just changed the game completely. Fresh Iranian missiles struck central Israel today, hitting towns including Shaham and Holon with suspected cluster warheads. Sirens blared across Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, and the entire north simultaneously. Iran confirmed direct hits on Palmachin, Israel's most sensitive airbase, and Ovda in the southern Negev. But here's the biggest development. Iran has officially switched strategy. No more missile swarms. Now they're only firing missiles carrying warheads of over 1,000 kilograms. Fewer missiles, bigger destruction. And the damage claims in Israel? Already over 9,000 in 14 days. 13 dead, 2,000 injured. Day 14. And it's getting more intense, not less. Follow Newsbuzz 247.